not getting away this time.
Catch me if you can!
Hold steady!
Not again.
My potatoes!
Oh.
Unit 3, do not lose him.
Sorry, Daisy.
Almost got you.
One last push.
And then...
No, no, no!
Oh, great. That's my winter hay! Oh.
Well, that worked.
I'm allergic. Free entertainment!
You're under arrest for bad driving and bad farming.
Guess I bailed, literally. Oh no!
Look at that!
Look at that!
Dad! It's falling!
Next time, pick a better hiding spot.